What's up, everybody? Today we are going to be reviewing the 2020 WRX. As you can see, this car is in ceramic white. It's beautiful. All the lines on the car really pop out with this color, and it is just like the most crisp, pure white you can see, kind of like when it snows. You'll see it already has a lot of black accents. It's got the mirrors, the headlights, all the emblems, and the shark fin antenna are black. I do believe the only emblem that is not black is the Subaru emblem on the trunk. One awesome thing, which you'll see right here, is it does have the matte bronze 18-inch wheels with the Brembo brakes. These are the 4-pot front caliper brakes with the 2 pots in the rear. And it's killer looking with this setup. This car looks beautiful. I really like this. As you all know, I had a 2018 WRX in K1X, which is kind of like a crystal white pearl color. This is beautiful. When you line these cars up together, they just absolutely, this color pops out way more, way more than the crystal white pearl. And just to kind of show you guys too, down here you'll see the yellow shocks. That is the updated dampening for this car. This car rides amazing, and we are going to get to that right now. This car is push button start. And I just want to go over kind of what the feature is on this car. It's option 14 package if you guys are looking for this. It is the Performance Brembo tuned braking system, sport tuned suspension with the Bilstein dampers. It is the ultra suede Recaro seats in here, front and back. And it's got the moonroof delete. The exterior, of course, like I said, it's all black badging, mirror caps, shark fin antenna, and the wheels. Now, another good thing, this does have the limited trim steering responsive headlights, so when you guys turn the wheel at night, the headlights will be turning the direction you turn, and it's awesome. It's a great feature. And it also finally does also have the LED fog lights. So just kind of get to this driving review, guys. This car is awesome. Compared to a base model, it's definitely a step up into a premium. This is probably the way to go if you can find one, because this is right kind of close to limited pricing. This, we got it marked at $35,925. That is a steal for what this car is giving you. So we're gonna kind of just give this car a little go. And I just want you all to know, it's been a minute since I've driven a manual car, because I've been about that Infinity life, and I gotta say, I miss it. I really do miss it. And this car makes me want to dive into another WRX ASAP. So right off the bat, this is electric assisted steering. So it is easy to get around parking lots and much less bump steer, and you're not going to feel a lot of bumps driving on the road because it's all electric. And this is really good. A stiff steering, it's just like, feels stiff right now, just kind of cruising around the parking lot, and I like that. Some people like it a little looser. I really like how stiff it feels. So we're going to kind of cruise around real quick. I really want to get a feel for these dampers. Ooh. Whoa, that turn-in feels awesome. So like I said before, this package does not have the short throw shifter, and it still feels alright. Clutch take-up is good. It's at the, kind of near the top, but the clutch is much improved to the 2015 versions. They changed that, I believe, in 2018. Really forgot how smooth this car takes turns. It's just kind of like really nimble. Around that corner there was nice. I really wish there was somewhere I could really take this and some like twisties, but it is very capable machine. This sport suspension is a little bit stiffer than the standard WRX suspension, I can say that right now. However, it feels really plush. See how it handles the speed bump. Yeah, that was good. Just over 20 miles an hour. Not too bad. It's actually really good. That is really good. Forgot how surgy this turbo is. These brakes feel really good too. One thing I've always loved about this car is just how it hooks up. It's just amazing. Really exhilarating to drive, just lots of fun. Really miss the sound of that turbo. So yeah guys, this car feels a lot more capable. The suspension is definitely tuned much stiffer. It feels amazing. It's really sporty compared to the base WRX. This is a little more stiff than I was expecting. It's actually a pleasant surprise. Not sure if I'd say it's up there with STI suspension. I haven't actually drove a 2020 STI yet, so can't compare it yet, but we'll get to that soon. So that's a quick little spin, y'all. In the 2020 WRX White series, not a lot has changed other than the sport tune suspension and the exterior modifications and the performance brakes, which are awesome. This is a great car to grab in the limited price segment if you're looking for something that is a little more sporty and has an awesome exterior modifications with the sport dampeners and the Brembo calipers. It is a really, really nice package, and it looks beautiful in this ceramic white. There's only 500 of these made, so if you can hunt one down, I suggest you jump on it. This is an awesome car. I wish I had one myself. This is really taking me back to my WRX days. It's awesome. So guys, if you have any questions, comments, hit them down below. And if you like this video and want to see more of this content, please like this video, subscribe down there, leave a comment, guys. I'll hit back to you soon as I can. And I hope you guys have an awesome week. Catch you next time.